Welcome back to the Rise Homes channel. Today we are taking a look at some of the best children's museums in the Mid-Peninsula in San Mateo County. So if you're looking for fun and educational activities for kids in the Mid-Peninsula, you're in luck. The San Francisco Peninsula is home to some fantastic children's museums where kids can explore, learn, and have a blast with hands-on exhibits. Whether you're in San Mateo, Burlingame, Redwood City, or Menlo Park, there's a great spot nearby for your little ones. First up, we have CuriOdyssey in San Mateo. Located right in Coyote Point, this Science and Wildlife Center is a perfect blend of hands-on learning and outdoor fun. Kids can explore physics-based exhibits, get close up with live animals, and even engage in STEM activities designed to spark curiosity. It's great for younger kids, especially those interested in nature and science. This is one of my personal favorites. I took my very own daughter here many times when she was little. The animals are really exciting for both adults and kids, and the entire facility is perfect for kids to expend some energy and learn along the way. Next on the list is the Palo Alto Junior Museum and Zoo. This recently renovated space offers interactive science exhibits and a mini zoo with over 50 species of animals. Perfect for preschoolers and elementary-aged kids, this museum encourages hands-on play and up-close encounters with turtles, birds, and even bobcats. Plus, it's right near Stanford, making it a great stop after a family day in Palo Alto. For kids who love technology and history, the Museum of American Heritage in Palo Alto is a hidden gem. This museum brings history to life with interactive displays of vintage gadgets, classic cars, and early inventions. They also offer hands-on workshops where kids can learn everything about old school printing presses to early computers. It's a great stop for curious minds who love to tinker and explore. If your kids are fascinated by airplanes, then the Hiller Aviation Museum in San Carlos is a must visit. This museum is packed with historic aircraft, flight simulators, and hands-on exhibits that teach kids all about aviation and aerodynamics. They even have a kids area where young pilots can sit in a real cockpit. It's an awesome experience for kids and parents alike. Bonus, you can rent the space for big events, and the museum keeps kids busy. We actually had our wedding reception here, and the exhibits were a big hit with everyone. Last but not least, the San Mateo County History Museum in Redwood City is a fantastic spot for kids to explore the local history of the peninsula. Located inside the historic courthouse, the museum features interactive exhibits on the gold rush, early settlers, and even an old-fashioned general store where kids can play shopkeeper. It's a great mix of education and fun. That wraps up my list of the best children's museums in the Mid-Peninsula. Whether your kids love science, animals, airplanes, or history, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment letting me know your favorite family-friendly spots in the Bay Area. See you in the next video.